Hello, welcome back to Bill's Learning Corner. 今天我们要回到阅读小说 B 的部分。今天的标题是 I like socks. 那其中这个部分呢，会说到复数的部分。当动词后面呢，不是一个的时候，它要用总集合名词，所以要比如说 socks。不止一只，然后呢，名词的部分会讲到复数，那伴随着 with， 所以今天的声音我们会讲到 s， 这两个都是 s 的声音 ，s 跟 c。好，那我们就继续往下。好，所以标题再一次 ，I like socks。好，那你看啊，这上面有 socks，I like socks。那 socks 上面有什么呢 ？With lots of cars， 有很多的 cars。Okay, next one. I like socks with a lot of stars. Okay, stars. I like socks with lots of bells. Bells.Socks 上面有很多的 bells. I like socks with lots of shells. Shells. With shells. I like socks with lots of dice. Dice. OK, C-E-S. 那因为 dice 这边呢不可数，所以直接 D-I-C-E 就可以了。OK.I like socks with lots of mice. 一样呢，本来单数是 M-O-U-S-E， 这边呢很多只的话就 mice. And so does my cat. 所以呢 so does my cat. 我的 cat 也是一样哦，很喜欢 socks. OK, good. And then 我们再回来看一次哦 mice.Dice, shells, bells, stars, cars. 好，来从头开始，你们可以一起念 I like socks. I like socks with lots of cars. I like socks.With lots of stars. I like socks with lots of bells. I like socks with lots of shells. I like socks with lots of dice. I like socks with lots of mice. And so does my cat.Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.